Hello friends, I am excited to announce that Cruising World magazine, in their newest issue, has a feature on me written by the writer David Blake Fischer. David had written the article and pitched it to them, and they had accepted before me and him had ever even met or spoke. And so I want to thank David so much for being interested in telling the story, telling my story, and getting it published. It's a pretty big article. It's like, I think it's 8 pages or something, and 3,000 words special feature. So it talks a lot about, a little bit about my backstory and about the passage and everything. So it was pretty intense for me to read. David Blake Fischer is a award-winning author, and he has a beautiful Cape Dory sailboat that he sails out of Marina del Rey, and he's just started his like sailing adventures on the sort of like cruising Southern California level, and I'm grateful to him for everything. So if you're in a place where you can pick up the new issue of Cruising World, pick it up, check it out, and let me know what you think. And yeah, it's a wild thing. So just want to let you guys know that, and I hope everybody is doing great.